In this lesson, you'll learn the basic features of Scorecard. Scorecard helps you measure your business performance alongside other similar businesses in the industry and allows you to compare your recent performance against the previous year. To access Scorecard, first log into your Smart System console. The Scorecard icon will display one of three images. A stormy sky means your site needs attention. A blue cloudy sky means your site is stable. And a sunny day means your site is performing well. If you have multiple sites, it'll tell you how many of your sites are in each category. Click on the Scorecard tile. If you have multiple sites, you'll first be presented with an overview of all your sites. The line graph shows a comparison between each site's total revenue, and the white line shows the average revenue of all your sites. The colored tiles at the top represent each site and how well they're performing. If a site's monthly revenue is down 5% or more from the same month last year, the tile will be red. If a site's monthly revenue is up 5% or more from the same month last year, the tile will be shown in green. And if the revenue is anywhere in between, the tile will be orange. You can click on these tiles to view more information about a site, or you can select a site from the drop-down menu. If you'd like to see a map view of your sites, then you can click here. Your sites will be represented by colored flags on the map, using the same color code as the tiles to indicate their performance. To view detailed graphs for a specific site, go back to the tile view and click on a site. If you only have one site, then this is the first page you'll see when you enter Scorecard. At the top, we have a series of tiles which represent 5 key areas of your performance: revenue, transactions, visits, clients, and online bookings. If a tile is red, it means this area needs attention. Orange means it's stable, and green means you're performing well in this area. You can click on the tiles to view a series of graphs relating to each topic. Alternatively, you can use this menu on the right-hand side to navigate between pages. You've been automatically assigned to the appropriate community for your industry, which is displayed here. However, if you wish to compare yourself to a different industry or region, you can select a community from the drop-down menu. The first reports you'll see in Scorecard are your revenue reports. Here we can view graphs of total revenue, service revenue, and retail revenue. If you need more information about how certain data is calculated, you can hover over the information icon next to the title of each graph. These graphs allow you to compare your performance from this year and last year on a month-to-month basis. The yellow bars represent last year and the orange bars represent this year. You can hover over the bars to view the figures for each month, and you'll notice that only completed months will be displayed on the graph. The white line represents the industry average within your revenue band. This will help you gauge how well your business is performing compared to the industry. Scorecard will automatically move you into the relevant band based on your trending revenue. To the right of the graph, we can see the figures from the past month, and the little arrow shows whether your figures are higher or lower than the same month last year. Now we'll have a look at the other graphs available in Scorecard. On the transactions page, we have the average value per transaction, the number of transactions, average service value per transaction, average retail value per transaction, discretion or discount value, and the percentage of transactions that were discounted. On the visits page, we can see the average visit frequency, the number of service visits, the average number of services per visit, and the percentage of visits with retail upsell. On the clients page, we have new client retention and repeat client retention. In most cases, the colored bars will represent this year and last year, but in some cases, they'll represent other data. You can view a key for each graph underneath the title. Lastly, we have the online bookings page, where we can view the total value, the total number of bookings, and the number of bookings outside business hours for BookMe, My Local Salon, and all online bookings. For the online booking graphs, it's important to make sure that your business hours are set up correctly so the outside hours data can be calculated accurately. Now that you understand the basic features of Scorecard, you can use this tool to analyze your business performance.